Alright, we have a GoPro here, Hero 7 Black, and a DJI OSMO Action on this side, and we are comparing the QuickCapture mode. That means you push the record button and it immediately records video, and here it's called SnapShot. Snapshot video on this one. So we wanted to see if they record really immediately. So we push both buttons. Both cameras are off, and I just push at the same time. 3, 2, 1. Both at the same time. We are recording, and then I'm going to sync those videos. So now I can sync those two videos together, and then we see which one started earlier, which one started later. How much delay do we have there? Stabilization is on this one. The rock steady. This one doesn't have that. And when I push again, it turns off. At this point, both cameras go into some standby mode. I don't think they really turn all the way off. Let's try this again the second time. 3, 2, 1, go. So both are recording here. I'm going to sync them, so I know which one does what. Now, if we turn them both off, so now with this display button here, I can turn the screen on, and I can also turn the camera off for good by pushing and holding it. Then it says shutting down and it's off. Here on this one, I click this button on the side here to turn the screen on. And the same thing, I push and hold. Then the red light blinks and it turns off for good. Now, in a few days, when you try to turn those cameras on, I can only say out of my own experience, good luck with this one. This one is going to turn on. Now, let's have a look at those videos we just shot. So both are recording here. I'm going to sync them, so I know which one does what. Now, we are recording, and then I'm going to sync those videos. So now I can sync those two videos together, and then we see which one started earlier, which one started later. How much delay do we have there? Stabilization is on this one. The rock steady. This one doesn't have that. And when I push again, it turns off. So to turn the snapshot on and off, you go here to the settings symbol, and here is a snapshot entry. It has the same circle with the red dot in the middle that it has on the button. And in this case it's set to video. You can set it to all kinds of other things. Okay, but you can set it to the latest setting or to video in this case. So to set the QuickCapture settings, you slide down, and there's this little rabbit in the blue circle. If it's off, QuickCapture is off. If it's on, QuickCapture comes on. You slide up to go back to the regular screen.